When I grow up, I'll be a gardener, digging holes, oh what a partner. With my shovel, gloves and hat, I'll talk to flowers, imagine that. Gardener, gardener, what a sight. Planting seeds from morn to night. Water, sunshine, happy tunes. Dancing flowers, talking spoons. I'll plant carrots, peas, and beans, and make the garden neat and clean. The worms will wiggle, bees will hum, and butterflies will say yum, yum, yum. Gardener, gardener, what a sight. Planting seeds from morn to night. Water, sunshine, happy tunes. Dancing flowers, talking spoons. I water plants with a little song. They'll grow up big and strong and long. Tomatoes red and pumpkins round. My garden's the best one in town. Oops, my hose went out of line. Splash the cat, oh that's not fine. But flowers giggle, that's okay. We'll grow again another day. Gardener, gardener, full of cheer, growing joy all through the year. I grow up, I'll plant and play, and make the world bloom every day. Oops, my flower sneezed.